So okay guys, now the upload is over. So now as can be seen, it is showing error for iOS, and it is also showing error for Android. This was not supposed to be happening. I don't know what's the issue, but okay, so this was the last times. So just you won't get this error because this was something new tried by me. So when you'll be doing this for very first time, you will get this option which is no key selected, and let it be that way only. Don't mess with these options. And as you may see, it is throwing an error for iOS, but sometimes it also shows the option for Windows. Okay, if you're getting the option for Windows, it won't show any error. You can just download it, but as of now there is only two options, which is one for iOS and it is throwing error, you cannot download it, and this is the option for Android. So now just click on this APK button over here, and file will be getting downloaded like that of this one. Then you can just transfer this file on your cell phone and install it over there, and you will see some output. Okay, we will get output something like okay, we will get output like this, because whatever you see on this index.html page, same you will see on your app. Okay, so just make sure that you are writing your code. Now let me just execute this code on the cell phone and show you guys. So let me just pause this video for a while. Okay, so now let me just open our Visor app. So with the help of the Visor, you can see the screen of your cell phone and all. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will it is getting opened. Until that I will just see where this has been downloaded. Okay, so this is that file which is error.debug. I will copy this file. I will go inside of my cell phone, and I will paste it somewhere over here. Okay, and I will paste that file inside of my internal storage. This is that file, and now I will go inside of my cell phone. This is the projection of my cell phone. I will go inside of the file manager, and inside of the APKs, this is that file. Okay, so currently we have the file where we have kept it over here is we have kept it inside of the all files over here. I will just double click on it, and I will say install, and I will say open. Okay, so now we are getting the same output what we are getting on this index.html. Okay, so this is the output what we are seeing on our cell phone. Okay, and let me see where it got installed. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, so as I've told you all, whatever name that you give over here, that will be coming that name will be coming just below the name of your app. Okay, and in the future classes I will show you how to change this logo and all. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is how you build your app with the help of the Cordova. Thanks for watching.